In this video, we will be solving one question related to accumulated profit and losses at the time of retirement of partner. Now, here the question is written. There are three partners A and B, A, B, C and other partners where B decided to retire. At the time of retirement, following balances appear in the balance sheet. The balances are reserve fund 30,000, profit and loss account balance 10,000, workman compensation reserve 7,000, advertisement suspense 5,000. Now one more adjustment is given. There is no workman compensation claim on the date of retirement. Related to this sentence we will discuss after some time also, but as of now there is no workman compensation claim on the date of retirement. Now, since these are the various accumulated profit, that is the reserve fund, that is part of the accumulated profit, profit and loss account balance, part of accumulated profit, again workman compensation reserve, that is also part of the accumulated profit, advertisement suspense, that is accumulated loss, part of accumulated loss you can say. Now the accumulated profit, these balances are transferred to all the partners' capital accounts in their profit sharing ratio. As you know, since there is profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, so we will be assuming that profit sharing ratio is equal. So this, in order to transfer the balances of the accumulated profit, all the balances will be debited and the partners' capital account will be credited in their profit sharing ratio. As we know, profit sharing ratio in this question, that is equal. Now the entry for this will be reserve fund account debit. Reserve fund account debit, then profit and loss account balance, that is also profit and loss account, it will also be debited. Then workman compensation reserve, workman compensation reserve, it will also be debited, and all the partners capital account will be credited in their profit sharing ratio to A capital account, to B's capital account and to C's capital account. Balances are for reserve fund, that is 30,000, profit and loss account balance 10,000 and workman compensation reserve 7,000. Total is comes to 47,000. This 47,000 will be divided among the three partners equally. That is, three partners will be 3 1 3, it comes to 17. Now 3 5 15, it comes to 20. 3 6 18, it will come to 15,666. So it will, we will be writing here 15 6 6 6, again 15 6 6 and 6, here 15 6 6, round off we will be writing 7, so that the total comes to 47,000. So this will, for A's capital account 15,666, to B's capital account 15,666 and to C's capital account 15,667. 67 we can write in place of A or B's also, but in order to simply to adjust so that the total balances come to 47,000, which is equal to the debit balance, we have, I am writing here 15,667 here, and the narration for the journal entry will be being accumulated profit balances transferred to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Now one more thing is that is the workman, the advertisement suspense. This is part of the accumulated, that is expense, that is deferred revenue expense also you can. This is part of loss actually. So this balance will also be transferred to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, which will be, for this the partners capital account will be debited. A's capital account we will be debiting, B's capital account also we will be debiting, C's capital account will also be debited, and this will be debited in the profit sharing ratio. That is the, it will be equal, that is 5,000 will be debited to advertisement suspense, advertisement suspense account, that is 5,000. 5,000 we will be dividing equally, 3 1 3, it will come to 20, 3 6 18. Again it comes to 1666, 1666, 166, again round off, we will be writing 7, so that the total comes to 5,000. So this is the general entry. The accumulated profit balances will be debited and partners capital account will be credited in the profit sharing ratio. And the advertisement suspense, that is the debit balance, it will appear in the balance sheet, in the asset side of the balance sheet, and in order to transfer the balance, the partners capital account will be debited in the profit sharing ratio and the advertisement suspense will be credited accordingly. The 5,000 will be credited. Now one more important thing which is to be mentioned in this question is with regard to the workman compensation reserve. With regard to workman compensation reserve. Assuming that there is no workman compensation claim on the date of retirement. Suppose there is a minor change in the question is given. If the question is such that there is workman compensation, this is not there. This no is not there. There is workman compensation claim on the date of retirement amounting to rupees, say the actual balance workman compensation amounting to rupees, say 1,000. We are assuming that there is a workman compensation claim of rupees 1,000 claim is pending. So if the question is such that there is some workman compensation claim is there on the date of retirement, then out of the work balance available, the workman compensation balance is 7,000. Out of the balances, there is a claim of 1,000. So 1,000 balance will be transferred to workman to a new account which will be known as workman compensation claim account, and only 6,000 will be transferred to the partners capital accounts in the profit sharing ratio. Instead of rupees 7,000, 6,000 only will be transferred because 1,000 claim is there. So out of this 7,000, 1,000 will be transferred to another account. The entry will be for this will be workman compensation claim. Workman compensation here reserve. Account debit 1,000 to workman compensation claim. Workman compensation claim 1,000. 1,000 balance will be transferred from the workman compensation reserve to workman compensation claim, and rest 6,000 will be transferred to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Now this total balance comes to 46,000 instead of 47,000. It will come to 46,000. Now 46,000 will be divided among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio, and it will now come to 15,333, 15,333 and 15,334 we will be writing here. So that the total comes to 46,000. If there is a claim against workman compensation and the result is suppose out of 7,000 there is a claim of 1,000, so 1,000 will be transferred to workman compensation claim account and balance will be transferred to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Now one more adjustment can also be there. Assuming that instead of, since there is a workman compensation reserve of 7,000 and in the question it is given that there is a claim of suppose 8,000 is there, more than the workman compensation reserve. Reserve balance, workman compensation reserve balance is 7,000, but there is a claim of 8,000. So there is a deficiency in the reserve. So the whole 7,000 will be transferred to workman compensation. In this case, the entry will be the whole 7,000 balance will be transferred to workman compensation claim, and 1,000 balance which is still left will be transferred to revaluation account. A new account will be opened, that is the revaluation account. You can simply write revaluation account debit, 1,000 will be debited, and to workman compensation claim. Workman compensation claim, a new account will be there for 1,000 balance. And there will be no workman compensation reserve will not be there. It will not appear in the, means the balance, since there is no balance left in the workman compensation reserve, so only 40,000 will be transferred to all the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. So only 40,000 is left. That is part of the profit. 40,000 will be transferred. That is 13,333. 13,333 and 4. So it will come to 40,000. Now this, since entire balance of workman compensation reserve has been transferred to workman compensation, and one more 1,000 is required to be compensated, means for this, since this is additional loss to the business, so for this revaluation account will be debited and 1,000 claim will be transferred to workman compensation claim. So total claim on account of workman compensation will be 8,000 now.